Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. And guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve this beautiful look for work. Yes guys, today is the first day of work. This is 2nd of January 2025. I decided to just glam myself up to motivate myself to work this year. So guys, I'll be showing you the products and the thing I used in achieving this look, and I really hope you enjoy this video. And if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. To achieve a beautiful 9 to 5 work glam, you want to make sure that your base is prepped properly. Yes guys, I'm going into my Becca primer and I'm using this on my T-zone, places I get oily. My sister is trying to say goodbye to me because she's traveling in this video. Yes, so after I am done, I'm going into my Meron toner. I'm also using it on the places where I applied my mattifier, that's the Becca primer. And right now I'm going into a finishing spray also to mattify my T-zone. Once I am done with this, I am going into these foundations. I'm mixing the both of them together, and I'll be using a damp beauty blender to apply it on my face. Guys, you want to apply it on a particular section of your face first before going to the other parts, which is what I am doing. Guys, the reason why I used that primer, toner and finishing spray was because I wanted oil to be gone. This year my mantra is oil be gone, and this also saves you from a lot of touching up. You don't have to be touching off your face every minute to every hour. Yes, so you have to make sure that your base, your prep, everything is on point. After applying my foundation, I'm going into this No Band concealer in the shade 46. I'll be applying it on the places under my eyes just to highlight my eyes a bit. Yes guys, you also want to make sure that your makeup sits flawlessly on your face, and this is why you are trying to highlight your face. You want to give your face a bit of dimension. You don't want your face to just look boring at work. Yes, which is what I am trying to achieve right now. So I have applied it on my chin and the bridge of my nose. Right now I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. Guys, make sure you blend it out seamlessly. Make sure you blend it into your foundation. You don't want people seeing the demarcation between your concealer and your foundation, which is very important, guys. So right now I'll be blending the sides of my face. You want to start from beneath first before going upward, because there you'll be able to thin out the sides of the concealer. It will not look too harsh into the foundation. Then once you are done with the sides, you then go inside. You go under the eyes directly to blend it out properly. Yes, so right now I'm still blending the sides of the face. I'm blending under that concealer. Then right now I'm going under the eyes. You want to make sure that you blend it close to your waterline so that you don't have creases under your eyes. That is very important, guys. Make sure you blend it very well. You can see the way I'm shining my eyes. Yes guys, you want to make sure you do that so that everything looks as flawless as possible. Right now I just want extra under eyes, bright under eyes, and that's why I'm adding extra concealer to also give it a fuller coverage. And now guys, I took my beauty blender and turned it to the side where I used my foundation. I'll be using that to blend the edges of where I applied the concealer. So that is just to blend in the concealer and the foundation together. Right now I'm going under my eyes again to make sure I blend the concealer and make sure that that full coverage that I desire, that is what I am getting. Now to set the rest of my face, I'll be going into this Mirac setting powder in the shade Ginger. I'll be using that to set the whole look together. You want to make sure that everything is in place, and this is why I am blending my under eyes before setting the look, because you don't want any creases there, which is what I am trying to achieve right now. So once I am done setting my under eyes, I'll go into my forehead, my chin and my nose, practically places where I highlighted, but you want to make sure that you set your under eyes properly. So right now I am on my forehead, the sides of my face, my smile lines, everywhere that I just want to make sure that the place is properly secured. Oil would not seep out, everywhere will be mattified. That is where I'll be applying this setting powder. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into this Fit Me Maybelline powder. I'll use it to set the rest of my face where I did not use my Mirac Ginger setting powder on. And this is also my perfect skin shade. As you can see, you want to make sure everywhere is secured with powder. No place looks oily, no place is without powder. So that is what you want to do, and this is also to add dimension to your face. At this point, you don't want to be doing a lot of contouring and all that. Right now, to apply a bit of color to my face, I'll be going into my Blossom African eyeshadow palette. I'll be using that pink to apply blush on my face. So that pink serves as my blush. If you know by now, I'm a pink blush girly. Yes, so I'll be applying it on the apples of my cheek. I'll be putting a bit on my forehead just to give my face color. I'll also be using the same color but now with a brown to set my eyes. I want to also give that illusion of a pointed nose, so I'll be putting it from the bridge of my nose to my eyebrows. We want to make sure this is done just to give you that nice accentuated nose. I also apply a bit of this too on my eyelid. You are not going very heavy on your eyeshadow. You don't need too much on your eyeshadow if you are going to work. I believe so. So just a little bit on it on my eyes just to accentuate my eyes. That is what I am trying to achieve. Now straight into my brows, I'll be going into this Browmatic by Damel. I'll be using this to brush up my brow just to make it slip. This is a brow gel, so this will just make it stay in place. And once I have done this, I'll be using my setting powder to make sure everywhere is mattified. You don't want it to get oily. Straight up, I'll be going into this Eversheen black pencil. Guys, you need your pencil to be very sharp. So this black pencil is just to create my first and second outline, which is what I am doing right now. Now you join them together. You want to make sure you draw these brows in a way that you don't need to conceal it. You don't need to go through that stress of concealing your brows, which is what I am doing. So guys, make sure your pencil is very, very sharp. And now once I have done this, I'll be filling it up slightly with this black pencil. You don't want to go too heavy-handed so that your brows does not look too black. I'll be doing that at these sides of the brows, and I'll also be doing it at the other side. You don't want to bring it forward. Just that tip where you did your outline is where you are going to be doing. Once I am done with this, I'll be going into a brown pencil to fill in the front. So this will make it look more natural. It will not look artificial. The brows will look as natural as possible. Right now, I'll be lining my eyes with this Avon liquid eyeliner. This is just to pop my eyes a bit. You want to line your eyes, and guys, if you don't know how to line your eyes yet, please practice it, because there's this funny way it looks when a person does not apply it properly. So guys, please kindly learn how to line your eyes properly. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my fancy powder. I'll just be putting a bit under my eyes just to accentuate what I have done there, to accentuate my highlights, and just to give my face that beautiful look, powdery look. And now I'll be going to my forehead, my chin, every place I highlighted. This is just to make everything look as natural as possible. That is why we are going into it. I will also be going into this Milani powder in deep. I'll be using this all over my face. This is just to make sure the look comes together. So you want to bring in the light, the dark, everything together. So this is to blend all the whole look together, so you cannot see a demarcation between where one powder is stopping, one concealer or one foundation is starting. That is the essence. Right now, I'll be going into my kajal. I'll be using this under my eyes. I like this because it is very fast, just on my waterline, and I am good to go. You can darken it as much as you want to give a very dark waterline if that's what you desire. Straight into my lips, I'll be going into this brown pencil. I'll be using it to line my lips. Then for today, I want to go into a red lip because I believe it's the beginning of the year. You want to look as good as possible. And I'll be going into this Tara lipstick. This lipstick was not giving me what I wanted. The red was not giving me that red. So I went into this Beauty by AD red lip stain. And yes, that was the red I desired. So I'm using this to line my lips just to give it that look that I want. And you can see this red looks so good. But if you feel like the red is too bright for you, you can go into a brown pencil first or a black pencil. This will just darken the red a bit. So now that this is done, I'm just putting a bit of blush on my chin. Also, I'll be going into my mascara on my lashes because I really don't want to fix lashes to work. Yes, except for when I do those semi-permanent lashes. Yes, so I'll be applying this mascara on my lashes, and actually it accentuates my lashes really well. They look long, fuller and better. So once I am done with this eyelashes and applying it, I'll be going into my finishing spray. This is the All Nighter finishing spray. There's an issue with the pump, with the way it sprays, so that is why it's like that. Spray it all over my face, then I'll dry it off. Now that I am done, I'm applying my mascara to my lower lashes just to accentuate it and bring it out. And guys, this is the end result. Yes, you are set for work. In 20-25 minutes you are good to go. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, I really hope you come back for more videos like this. And guys, in year 2025, kindly support your girl. I really appreciate when you drop your comments and all that. Thank you very much. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.